Guess what we're going to talk about today? Fundraising. Are you a school? Possibly a group or an organization? Or even an athletic team that needs to raise money to pay for certain things? Let's be honest, fundraising is hard. Have you tried popcorn or cookies or pizza, and at the end, you didn't have much to show for your efforts? Do you remember the plastic $20 discount cards? The problem with these is that there wasn't a lot of value, because there wasn't much room for merchants on the back. Plus, the offers weren't that great anyhow. Step into the future with the iDrive Deals fundraising app. Our app has anywhere between 30 on the low side to 75 or even 80 different merchants on the high side. All of the merchants are listed in order by geographic location, so you'll always know what's close to you. All of the merchants are in close proximity to your school or group. Here, we're looking at Jersey Mike's, and their featured offer is buy one sub, get one free. These are great offers. The best part is, most offers can be used once a month for 12 months, and most merchants include 3 different offers that can be used. Thank you for participating.